There's a cop. They got an ambulance up here. Okay. So this is Massachusetts here. Oh, what the hell? So they went back to, they got a guy right here, it looks like. There's a guy right here. Or a girl. Can't tell. There's a bunch here too. They got a guy on the curb. Here they come. No, not yet. So there's this dude here. This guy here. That person is. They were down by, I think it's Mountain View or D Street, where that 7-Eleven is, and a big, huge, empty. If you're familiar with San Bernardino, there's a huge, empty gravel parking lot and then a liquor store. They were circling all over there. Oh, I thought I heard a helicopter. They were circling, the cop cars were going round and round right there. And then they all took off down Baseline. They ended up here where we're at now. So I think they're gonna go back to that 7-Eleven. They're putting this guy in the back of the police car. I think, I'm not sure. They're all able to come. Here comes the fire engine. They might be going back towards that 7-Eleven. Let's see who's even running. Yeah, I think they're going back to this 7-Eleven or something. Yeah. Hey, stay safe, guys. All right. Here they go. Yeah, see. Yeah, I think they're going back to where that 7-Eleven was. They got handcuffs. Yeah, he looks handcuffed. So I'm not sure where they're going. They're going back to where that 7-Eleven is. I guarantee it. So we're gonna go ahead and leave these guys because I want to see what's going on. They're in handcuffs, it looks like, yeah. We got them cuffed up. I guarantee that's where they're going. They got all of them in handcuffs. The ambulance is treating this guy. He's probably gonna have to go to the hospital. Yep, see, he's going to see the stretcher. Yeah, they're taking him. He was sitting on the ground anyway, on the concrete. So I don't know if they're gonna let him go or not. But we're gonna go ahead and take off. I'm gonna go see where those other cops went. Okay, we got some more police cars up here. They got it taped off on the other side of the street. I can see. I'm gonna see if it's taped off on this side. But it's taped off over there, which gives me the indication there may have been some type of violent crime. And those people they caught down there may have been involved. Maybe that was a pursuit, or maybe they spotted the car and went after it. Just giving you a theory at this point. They have it taped off right here. They don't have it taped off on this side. So until they do, they'll just have to bitch at me. Was that a box or something? Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's taped off right here in this gate. In this liquor store here on the corner where this cop car's at, there are people here all the time. Oh, this guy tried to go through. I guess he doesn't see it. There's cop cars there. Yeah, they're gonna talk to him. So it's taped off over there though on that side. So we'll stay over here on this side because that side's taped off. There's cops going off all over the city right now. You can hear them. What's he doing? Oh, he's gonna back out into baseline. Well, he's gonna get hit. So right now, it just looks like they're holding this for an investigator to come. So really nothing going on right here. I'm just waiting. I hear more sirens. See if that sounds like an ambulance. But the cops that we just saw down on the other side had come from this area. They went, here they come. They went down baseline. They ended up over at, oh, you saw it in Mount Vernon, shy of Mount Vernon. In fact, when my car got shot up, that was exactly the spot where they had those people handcuffed on the curb. That was the exact spot where my car got shot up. All right, guys, so we'll go see if there's anything else going on. I might go back to the other area, see if it's anything more there.